This is what it's like to draw on Gesso paper. You can gesso paper to create a really durable drawing surface. The gesso creates a protective barrier that prepares the paper to accept a variety of art mediums. Gesso on paper creates a really tough drawing surface that lets you erase, even aggressively, without damaging the paper's surface. This paper's been stretched and it has about 3 layers of gesso applied to it. I have another video that shows how to stretch and gesso drawing paper if you'd like to know how to do that. Gessoed paper works great for art mediums like charcoal and pastels. The surface can also handle some fluid mediums such as ink and paint. Applying gesso to paper also gives you complete control over the texture of your drawing surface. Here I'm using a pencil style eraser to lift out some of the lights. Here you can start to see the texture of the brush strokes from applying the gesso. You can create a variety of textures when applying the gesso. You can also sand the surface after the gesso dries if you want a really smooth drawing surface. Charcoal blends well on gesso paper. The gesso prevents the charcoal from working its way into the paper fibers, so it makes it a little bit easier to erase. Here's a close-up view of the paper's texture. If you'd like to restore highlight areas back to a bright white, just use a small brush and apply a few touches of gesso. You can also do this to cover small imperfections. I hope that you enjoy drawing on gessoed paper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.